Hey everyone! In this quick guide, I will show you how to send money from Binance to your Phantom wallet safely and easily. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Phantom wallet extension. Click on Deposit or select Solana as your receiving currency. Then copy your wallet address. Step 2. Open Binance and log into your account. Step 3. Tap on Wallet, then select Withdraw. Choose Solana as the cryptocurrency you want to send to Phantom. Step 4. Paste the Phantom wallet address you copied earlier. Make sure the selected network is Solana. Using the wrong network may result in loss of funds. Enter the amount of Solana you want to send, review the transaction details carefully, and tap Withdraw. Once submitted, the transaction will be processed. And that's it. You successfully sent Solana from Binance to your Phantom wallet. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more easy guides. See you next time!